Ever been drowning in a sea of receipts? Tired of manually entering expenses into spreadsheets? You're not alone. Millions of businesses and individuals struggle with expense tracking. But what if there was a simpler way? Enter Expensify, a popular expense management platform. But does Expensify offer a free trial? Let's dive in. Expensify is a powerful tool that automates expense reports, simplifies reimbursements, and integrates with various accounting software. It can track travel expenses, mileage, and even corporate cards. But before you commit to any expense management solution, it's crucial to test it out. That's where a free trial comes in handy. So, does Expensify have a free trial? Yes, they do. Expensify offers a free trial period, allowing you to explore its features and see if it's the right fit for your needs. This is a fantastic opportunity to experience the core features, test out expense reporting, receipt scanning, mileage tracking, and other key functionalities. Evaluate the user interface, get a feel for the platform's ease of use and navigation. Integrate with your existing tools, see how seamlessly Expensify integrates with your accounting software, such as QuickBooks or Xero. Assess the mobile app. If you rely on mobile devices, test the Expensify mobile app for its functionality and user experience. Finding the Expensify free trial is usually straightforward. Visit the Expensify website, head over to their official website. Look for Start Free Trial or similar. You'll typically find a prominent button or link on the homepage or within the pricing section. Sign up. Create an account using your email address. Begin your trial. Once you've signed up, you'll gain access to the Expensify platform for the duration of your free trial period. While the Expensify free trial is a valuable resource, it's important to keep a few things in mind. Trial limitations. Some features might be restricted during the trial period. Plan ahead. Make the most of your trial period by thoroughly testing the features that are most relevant to your needs. Explore pricing options. Familiarize yourself with Expensify's pricing plans before the trial ends to ensure it aligns with your budget. Expensify's free trial provides a valuable opportunity to experience the platform firsthand and determine if it's the right solution for your expense management needs. By taking advantage of the trial, you can make an informed decision and streamline your expense tracking process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.